1 week after claiming that he has explosive evidence of the Prime Minister's corruption, Rahul Gandhi appeared to finally place it before the public. The Congress Vice President has accused the Prime Minister of taking money from the Sahara Group, which he claims was even documented. He said that the Income Tax Department has all the information it needs to act, but hasn't done so yet. However, the allegations have been in the public domain for a considerable amount of time and have previously been raised by other opposition leaders like Arvind Kejriwal. The BJP has categorically dismissed all of Rahul Gandhi's allegations, calling them fabricated, and they have also said that the Congress VP is disconnected from reality.
22 नवंबर 2014 सहारा कंपनी पर एक रेड हुई। बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है। इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने उन पर रेड की। वहां उनको सहारा के रिकॉर्ड मिले। सहारा के रिकॉर्ड में जो लिखा था मैं आपको बताता हूं। एंट्रियां थी रिकॉर्ड में। 30 अक्टूबर 2013 2.5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 12 नवंबर 2013 5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 27 नवंबर 2013 2.5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 29 नवंबर 2013 5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। यह सब रिकॉर्ड में है। इनकम टैक्स के पास यह रिकॉर्ड है। 6 दिसंबर 2013 5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 19 दिसंबर 2013 5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 13 जनवरी 2014 5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 28 जनवरी 2014 5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 22 फरवरी 2014 5 करोड़ रुपया नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दिया गया। 6 महीने में 9 बार सहारा के लोगों ने अपनी डायरी में लिखा है कि हमने नरेंद्र मोदी जी को पैसा दिया है। चमकता हुआ नया नोट, एक गड्डी इस साइड, दूसरी गड्डी इस साइड।
The war of words between Rahul Gandhi and the Prime Minister has become even more personal. It all culminated in the Congress Vice President saying that he has evidence of personal corruption against Narendra Modi. The BJP repeatedly asked him to place that evidence on the record. However, Rahul Gandhi said that there were repeated disruptions inside Parliament, which is why he was not able to put forth the damning proof that he had, and he wanted to do it inside Parliament. In fact, he even went on to say the only reason why he is being silenced, why repeated disruptions are being effected inside the Lok Sabha, is because the BJP and the Prime Minister is running scared of the kind of evidence that he could have had. So has Rahul Gandhi today finally revealed his cards? Is this the clinching evidence that he claimed to have? What is also important to note is that this is something that has already in the past been put out by both Arvind Kejriwal and also Prashant Bhushan and his organization Common Cause. In fact, it was even presented before the court.